Everyone, check out Super Mario Token SMT, a high-speed, fun-loving meme token on PNB Smart Chain. I will share all the detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all, so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of the Super Mario, the funnest meme coin token on BNB. So it is given here, the Telegram and the Twitter is also given with a fair launch, no pre-sale, no early team tokens. The project started with a 5 billion SMT in liquidity, everything transparent, and more liquidity is added to at each milestone. So SMT features no tax, anti-dump protection, staking rewards, and planned for a community-focused roadmap including a future Mario race game. So you can join the race. Super Mario Token SMT is here to bring energy and fun into the crypto. Fair launch, no pre-sale, pure speed. So you can go for buy now and staking. I will give show these link further. You can copy that address, go to PancakeSwap, paste that address, and you can easily buy it. So you can see liquidity growth strategy. Example is given. Super Mario Token start with a fair launch 5 BSMT in liquidity for rapid momentum. You can see they have this line shows SMT in pool, and that one and the blue one show liquidity which is given here, and you can see that graph from here too. Fair launch, full transparency, and zero early SL of SMT is built for the long run. Get involved. Fair launch only 5 BSMT in the initial pool, self-funded expansion, more liquidity after each milestone, anti-dump, no team sell-off or early unlock, full transparency. They have all LP injection visible announced. So you can see they have the tokenomics which is given here, and liquidity is given which is 65%, some burn, and staking is given which is 30%. Reserve is 5%, tax and mechanism there is no tax here. So the protection is given, no pre-sale, everyone starts equally, long-term focus. They have the build for lasting growth. So you can see the vision and roadmap here. Vision meme powered community through fun and sustainability. Roadmap is given. First of all, they will launch, they will go for the community, airdrop, staking, CX listing, partnership, and you can see a Mario race game is in the work but needs time as its rights to Super Mario. So now community focused roadmap including a feature of Mario race game too. So you can see all the details is shared in that. Furthermore, I want to share with you Super Mario Token which is team finance here. Super Mario Token SMT Binance Smart Chain, their tokenomics given. You can see you can buy it with that. You have to enter the amount that how much you buy. First of all, you have to connect it with the wallet. You have to connect with the EVM wallets or non-EVM wallets. So it's up to you that which you want to use. I already have MetaMask, so you can connect that, and you can easily do team swap here. You can even though go for the team bridge which is given here too. So you can go for that here. They have the fair launch, full transparency, and zero early sell off SMT and build for the long run. You can get involved in it. You can even though buy it with the PancakeSwap. You can see you have to first of all connect the wallet. You can add that like if you want to with one. You can see the SMT here which is scrolling. After the scroll will complete the browse, you can see that amount. You can even change with the BNB to the USDT here. So if you want to buy it with a 1 USD, you can see the details which is will be shown here. You can minimum go for here the 100. So if you want to buy it with 100 USDT, you can see such amount of SMT Super Mario token you will get from here. You have to first connect your wallet and you can go for swap, and you can see it here. So I will recommend you to do your own research before investing in it. Furthermore, they have the Twitter is given. You can see the Twitter Super Mario Token. You can join their different details. Super Mario Token, it's meme competition time. Everyone $400 million SMT giveaway is given. You can be a part of this giveaway which is started on given here, starting on 4 p.m. CET on Sunday 13 July and finishing on 8 p.m. CET on Monday 14 July. It is for the one day. You can join it and you can read the details about that one. So if I show you, you can see it is given here. First prize is 300 million SMT. Second prize is 100 million here SMT. You have to post the link to your tweet here in Telegram, and the team will pick the winners on Monday night. So you can see it is so easy to be a part of it, and you can go and join. You can furthermore the SMT details which is showing here. You can see it here, it is a very good project. You can easily be able to make money on it, but be a part of their community so you can get to know about it here. And furthermore, they have also the Telegram is given. You can see it here. Telegram is given here. You can even go and contact them on the Telegram. If you have any query, you can join them here. So I share all their details. If you like this, hit the like, subscribe for more crypto updates, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Turn on the notifications so do not miss upcoming updates and game launches. Thank you.